ooh, somebody else, and then it's you. Ooh, falling in with you, not the only one doing me. You already feel it there. Give me a little more dark in the spotlight. Do I wanna know? You look into my eyes and felt love feeling. Then nothing got a dream like a sweet night. Hey, come on closer now, waiting for you. But tomorrow is slowly. Oh yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make up with the twilight, my only, my bestie. You my love. Let me if you want tonight. 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 Ooh, I think it's slowing down now. Oh, more give me a hug, more want to talk. A dream like a moment, fantasy. Baby, I think about you now. Yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make up with your twilight, my only, my bestie. You fall into my love. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight.
Began with large crowds, but now and then escalated to this assault on the Capitol, and now, Eamon, we have new video.
Yeah, that's right, Shep. These pro-Trump loyalists have stormed the Senate floor now. And Frank Thorpe, who is the NBC News Capitol Hill reporter, has just tweeted out this video, which you can see now, of protesters on the floor milling about. At least one of those protesters wearing a Trump flag as a cape. You can see another one appears to be unloading a suitcase or a duffel bag of some sort. And the protesters, at the point that video was taken, he just tweeted that out a few moments ago, appear to have total and unrestricted control of the Senate floor. I don't see any Capitol Police presence there at all on the U.S. Senate floor as we watch those protesters sort of milling about without really seeming to have any sense of what they're going to do once they got there. But the concern among many here, in addition to the symbolism, is going to be who got onto the Senate floor, what did they bring with them. This is a very controlled security environment where everybody who comes in has to go through metal detectors, have their bags checked and everything else. All of these bags now have been brought into the Capitol complex. It's not clear by whom, with what intent, what was brought into the Capitol, where all those people are right now. This is an enormous security nightmare of epic proportions for the Capitol Police now to deal with all of these people roaming the Capitol, angry.